and good evening from yet another beautiful evening in Stockholm. So what you just saw was a hyperlapse moving towards the palace in Stockholm, so thought that made for a cool intro to the vlog, and let's get the procedures going properly. So on my way to find a good sunset spot again, which is my usual modus operandi, and let's see if we can make that happen. So recently I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos by a guy called Matthew van der Put. He's a Belgian guy who lives in Sydney, Australia, and he's actually a professional time-lapse photographer. The reason I'm bringing him up is because he said one or two things that really stuck with me, and I'm inspired to incorporate this more in my own vlogs myself, and that's to change the way we perceive time in videos, because to just go out and see the ordinary, you can do that on an everyday basis. You don't need to watch YouTube videos for that. And two great ways to do that is to either shoot at a very high frame rate, which gives you that slow motion effect and gives you a different field of view that you wouldn't normally see, or you can shoot a lot of time lapses, hyperlapses, motion lapses, which obviously make everything appear a lot faster than you'd normally see them. So I think that's kind of cool and adds a lot of dynamic edge to your video as well. So definitely watch the space on the channel, hit that subscribe button below, and there should be a lot more of that coming soon. Just found a sunset spot I'm happy with, and looks like a great conditions to get good photos. So we're mid golden hour now, which you can see by the beautiful light on my face. Not that I'm beautiful, just the light. And yeah, let me show you the setup I'm going for. So I've decided to change lenses. I've opted for the 70-300 lens for my next shot, and here's the reason why. So I've chosen the 70-300 lens because it's a telephoto lens, and that allows you to zoom in very close. And in this case, I've chosen to zoom in really close on this clock tower over here. Reason being, I really wanted to focus on the facade, and then also I composed my shot by keeping a bit of water in the foreground, and of course the sunset and the sky of the clouds, which is really interesting in the background. And in order to capture all of this, I chose to shoot with the HDR technique, so I had to auto bracket my exposure. What that means is the camera keeps the aperture constant, but shoots multiple shots at different shutter speeds, which gives you some brighter shots and some darker shots, which you can then merge in Lightroom and Photoshop afterwards. And that leaves the whole scene exposed, so you don't have any silhouettes or overexposed areas in the sky. So here's the final result. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. So I consider that yet another successful sunset chase, and thanks for watching and joining me on the journey. So yeah, as much as I love Stockholm, I really can't wait to be back in London and be shooting there a lot more again. Been here for work, and as amazing as that opportunity has been, I really do miss the hometown London and all the photographic opportunities that offers too. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the Stockholm vlog anyway, and if you did, be sure to like and comment, and if you're interested in seeing more videos just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. See you in the next episode. Good night.